In this hyper-realistic and hyper-detailed micro-photograph of professional micro-photoshoot quality, we see an extreme close-up, front-facing head and shoulder portrait view, macro shot, sharp focus showcasing the powerful and influential Empress of Kievan Rus, Saint Olga of Kiev, with the ancient city of Kiev, Rus, in the background. The micro-photograph captures every detail of Saint Olga's ornate attire, jewelry, and accessories, including the crown on top of her head, utilizing advanced microphotographic techniques such as 5-dimensional and sub-dimensional techniques in addition to a high-quality DSLR camera and soft natural lighting. The background features a highly detailed image of ancient Kiev, Rus, captured with the same high-quality DSLR camera, enhanced with warm and tonal colors, to create a dreamlike atmosphere that showcases the rich cultural and historical heritage of Kievan Rus. Saint Olga was a powerful and influential ruler who played a significant role in the early history of Kievan Rus. She was the first ruler of Rus to convert to Christianity and established Christianity as the state religion. In addition, she was known for her shrewd political and military tactics, which helped her expand the territory of Kievan Rus. The final product is a microphotograph of professional microphotoshoot quality, capturing the essence of Saint Olga, the powerful and influential Empress of Kievan Rus, and showcasing the beauty and splendor of ancient Kiev Rus. The image is in 4K Ultra HD resolution with a 16-bit RGB color depth optimized for a wide range of contexts. The microphotograph is highly detailed, capturing every intricate detail of Saint Olga's attire, jewelry, and accessories. Special attention has been given to the lighting and tonality of the image, utilizing advanced techniques to create a technicolor effect that enhances the surreal beauty of the composition. Tags: hyper-realistic, hyper-detailed, microphotograph, professional microphotoshoot, Saint Olga, Kiev, ancient Rus, daytime, highly detailed, best quality technicolor. This generated text prompt will be used to generate an image of Saint Olga of Kiev with ancient Kiev, Rus in the background, displaying the microphotography quality of a professional microphotoshoot.